Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the pronunciation of ROOIBOS tea. Let's see how many tries it takes me to get it right. When we talk about tea, we often focus on the taste, the aroma, and the brewing process, but what about the pronunciation? Saying ROOIBOS tea correctly can make all the difference in various contexts. Whether you're a tea enthusiast, a casual drinker, or even a coffee shop owner, I've heard so many people mispronounce ROOIBOS in coffee shops, at parties, and even in restaurants. It's often pronounced like ROOIBOS or ROOIBOS, but what's worse is when people say ROOIBOS or even ROOIBOS. As a tea lover, it's frustrating to hear these mispronunciations. And it's not just about being a grammar snob, it's about respecting the heritage and culture behind this amazing tea. I've noticed that even some tea enthusiasts and experts get it wrong, which is surprising given the growing popularity of ROOIBOS tea worldwide. It's not just about getting the pronunciation right, it's about showing appreciation for the people and the culture that brought this tea to our tables. Mispronunciation can also lead to confusion, and when it comes to ordering tea, you want to make sure you get what you asked for. Imagine asking for a ROOIBOS latte and getting a confused look from the barista. It's happened to the best of us. Let's dive into the origins of ROOIBOS tea and explore why it's pronounced the way it is. ROOIBOS tea is a type of herbal tea that comes from South Africa, where it's been a staple in many households for centuries. The name ROOIBOS comes from the Afrikaans language, which is a dialect spoken in South Africa. In Afrikaans, ROOIBOS is pronounced ROOIBOS, with a guttural R sound and a short O sound. The correct pronunciation of ROOIBOS is crucial to understanding its cultural significance in South Africa. ROOIBOS tea is deeply rooted in the country's history and is often consumed at social gatherings and special occasions. By pronouncing it correctly, you're showing respect for the people and the culture that created this unique and delicious tea. So, how do you say ROOIBOS correctly? It's ROOIBOS, with a strong emphasis on the ROI sound. Try it with me, ROOIBOS. Say it a few times, and you'll get the hang of it. When you're ordering a ROOIBOS tea at a coffee shop, try saying it confidently. I'll have a ROOIBOS tea, please. You'll be surprised at how empowered you feel when you say it correctly. In conclusion, saying ROOIBOS tea correctly is not just about getting the pronunciation right, it's about appreciating the culture and heritage behind this amazing tea. Remember, it's ROOIBOS, and with practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me on this journey to master the pronunciation of ROOIBOS tea. If you have any funny stories about mispronouncing ROOIBOS, or if you're a fellow ROOIBOS tea lover, share your experiences in the comments below.